party.
Having a nice time in the park, and I want to check up on my house. I can actually see there's the app, and I could see. So I'm out of the house. I have it armed as a way. I have no neighbors, stories. I do have some history, and then if you notice, there's an actual alarm right there for panic, but I could see all four of my cameras on the front door, in the garage, and the two on the side of the house. In the history, I can go in here and actually see what has transpired while I was away. To have a successful control of your Ring alarm system, what you want to do is you want to download the actual app on your phone. This way, you can monitor your home basically from anywhere. So there's the app. I've already have it installed. What you want to do is you want to download that. Now, this is an iPhone. I don't know how it is on the Android device, but it's right there, Ring. So what you want to do is you want to open the app and then create an account. How it's going to be, obviously you put in your full name, the country that you live in, and then the email address, and then a password, right? So I'm going to go ahead and create an account. Verify your email. And then once I go in, it's going to give me a code just to verify that that is me, and then that is your dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a device for every device that you add onto your Ring alarm system. I wanted to set up these devices first. We're going to install them outside, 8-9 feet above the ground. So to change these mounts, this part is at the bottom. Mount this so that it will actually point downwards. There's a screw, just basically screws in there. And then on the back of this, you're just gonna remove that little stopper attach. And it says right there, up. And that tightens up like that. So now I'm gonna take my little app and I'm gonna set up a device. These are security cams. So now it's asking me to, yep, I'm ready to scan. Yes, I'm gonna allow the camera. And now it's looking for, and it captured it. Stick up cam detected. Next, grab your Wi-Fi password. Please tap OK. Turn on location access for the Ring app. The light is flashing blue. Is the light in front of your stick cam flashing blue? Yes. When prompted, connect the Ring to the Wi-Fi. If my Wi-Fi
Connected to the Ring app.
Select the Wi-Fi. So I entered my Wi-Fi password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment. Setup successful.
this is the Ring doorbell that came with the house. It was already installed. Very specific Torx that goes underneath. So I took it off. So there's the barcode scan. Is another set up a device. I'm gonna set up a device. Doorbells. I'm ready to scan. Captured it. Nice. Wired, home, front door. I've removed the film. Been installed. Yes, I installed it. A wired doorbell. Password. I am near the device. Light is spinning. Light is spinning. Ring wants to join. So once you're finished, now let's install this. We're gonna hardwire this, but before we do that, we have to mark exactly where the screws will go into the wall to hold it up. So what we're gonna do is just gonna put some painter's tape, and we're just gonna mark where we're gonna hardwire into the wall. What I'm gonna do, the little tape there on one side, and just make sure it's level. That's all. I just can't seem to. Oh. Plug this up. So let's go back to the app. I'm gonna turn on set up a device, ring alarm, continue, find my base station, press that pairing button. There it goes. Now it's pairing. So we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. Now it's doing something. Here's the actual keypad, security keypad. And in the back is this plate that we will mount on the wall. Stud finder. So I'm gonna guess I want it somewhere here. Get our little level. This just simply goes on there. Here's the back of it, all the way just yet, but I will. And then I'm gonna slide it all the way down. Power on the keypad. Go back to my Ring app. Gonna go to security, go to keypads, 2nd gen, ready, and QR code. Tap got it. Gonna first go to the app, set up a device, security, keypads. So for the door, I'm gonna wipe down this area with alcohol. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set the battery gets connected. You could see it lights up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I'm going to. So now when the door opens, it loses connectivity and then the alarm system goes off. Device, security, contact sensor. I guess this is a second ring. Scan QR code. Press the button on the front of the contact sensor if you're installing. Yep. Done. Now we're going to install, this is the smoke alarm system. So this is the plate. So this plate we're gonna install on the ceiling. There's that little tab thing there, which I'm gonna remove. It's blinking. It's looking for app. I had to move from there to there because the instruction said that it should be at least 3 inches from your alarm. Now we're gonna install the motion detector right over there. And turn on my app, set up a device. Let's scan the QR code. So I'm gonna put it. These are garage door contact sensor attachments. Attach this to your garage door so your garage door has this swinging, and I'll show you this in a minute. Right, so if you can imagine the garage door. We're in the garage. This is the garage door.